Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a bullshot photos in the DOOGEE V Max. So in the first tab open the camera app, then tap on the settings and go to the continuous shot. I can see now we can choose 5, 10 or 20 pictures and just tap on the shutter button. And again, just hold the finger on it. We took 20 photos, and if you want to pick best shots, open it in the gallery, tap on this button. And as you can see, we have the photos from the bullshot. We can just select the worst one and just delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.